the best hollow point mold review. Okay guys, I actually posted a different video on this, but I showed a clip of me using this mold, and YouTube does not like that. So it got me a warning on the channel. This is the edited version that is YouTube friendly, that doesn't show me using it at all, but still gives you a pretty good overview of this mold. So this is a hollow point mold by M&P Molds. They are based out of Slovenia, so they are not from the United States. So it looks like they sent it in some Slovenian newspaper. Nice packing. Okay, I got no beef with that. If it works, it works. So if you can read Slovenian, you can see what's going on, but I have no freaking clue what that's saying. Okay, so it comes with all these different pins to give your projectiles different points and tips and ends and all that, so we'll see. This mold is not like a Lee mold. Lee molds are relatively affordable at like 40 bucks or something like that. These guys are incredibly expensive, which is kind of a bummer, but it feels friggin' heavy, so hopefully this guy lasts a long time too. There are exactly 0 instructions on this thing, so we're gonna figure it all out together. So as you can see, it does 4 projectiles at once, and there's different pins to give the projectiles different input. So this one is like a cone, this one is like a hexagon, and then this one, let's see, and then this one is just like a flat point if you wanted to do something like that. These go here on either half. I don't believe it matters. And then they give you a bunch of these pins that can go into these. And it looks like they give you enough that you can actually leave them in there, which is kind of nice. And then this goes into here, so you put 2 to keep it nice and aligned. It doesn't matter if this moves around or whatnot when you're doing your casting. And then they have these little clips that go on the end, these little C clips that will go on the end to keep it from coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all those in together. Okay, there you go, I got all those pins. And the nice thing is they send you this Allen key that fits actually in the end of these, so you can kind of tighten it down pretty good. As far as the handles for this mold goes, the nice thing is it does actually use the Lee mold handles, which is pretty awesome. So if you have a Lee mold lying around, you can just buy their handles, or you can just swap out your handles, or if you don't, just go buy the Lee handles because they're pretty darn affordable. It uses an Allen key to undo this part instead of a Phillips like the Lee does, but it shouldn't really matter. Okay, so there you go, all assembled, ready to roll. The quality feels really good, honestly. It feels heavy. I believe this is brass, and that is a heck of a load heavier than the aluminum. That's something that's very noticeable right off the bat. Anyway, so let's go give this thing a shot. Okay, so this is how they look, and I don't have a macro lens on here, so it's going to be kind of hard to see. So here's the, I guess it's a pentagon. I was calling it hexagon earlier, but it looks really good. All in all, really impressed so far. This is the circular hollow point. It looks great too. And this is just the flat tip, regular old thing. Now the weight could vary based on your alloy a little bit, but so this is the pentagon one, 130 grains about. The cone about the same, and then the flat one just a little bit more, just to fill in that lead there. Okay guys, so that is it as far as the M&P mold goes. Honestly, as far as quality goes, as usability goes, 2 thumbs up. It looks great. Now I haven't cast thousands of rounds with these like I have the Lee ones, or which I also highly recommend, but I will cast some more on this and let you know what I think, and then I will do another video where I take those projectiles all 3 to the range and shoot them in a ballistics gel, and we'll see how they perform. I don't have a load exactly worked out for them, so the velocity might be a little bit off, so I'll bring a couple different ones to the range and we'll see how it looks. Anyway guys, if you have any thoughts, comments, questions, turn jokes, insults, please put in the comment section below. As always guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Wow, I'm surprised my GoPro battery didn't die. I got like 3%.